Jai Hind everyone. And welcome to Vajra Shot. I'm here with current affairs, as I have realized that people who are new to competitive exams, particularly defense exam, have no previous background. They struggle to find authentic sources, and I myself have cleared AFCAT 5 times and CDS 3 times. So, from my experience, I will be sharing those current affairs which are relevant in our exam, and these videos will be in format that you can revise them multiple times, and surely questions will come from these videos only, and uh, they will be in parts so that you can revise them multiple times. Let's begin with first question. So first question is, which national park has been declared as India's 58th tiger reserve? So we are familiar that maximum number of national parks are in Madhya Pradesh. And the name of 58th tiger reserve is Madhav National Park, and which was 57, that was Ratapani Tiger Reserve. And in comment section, let me know other national parks and tiger reserves as well, and their state. So moving on to next question, what is the rank of India in World Happiness Report 2025? So that is 118. Okay, next question. Which film won? Which film won the Best Film Award at Oscar 2025? So this is Anura. So I have also integrated a poster of Anura here, name written Anura. So next question. Which team won ICC Champion Trophy 2025? So we can see King Kohli, and he is from which team? He is from Team India. So answer will be Team India. Who has been awarded the 59th Gyanpith Award 2024? So he is Vinod Kumar Shukla. He is Vinod. We will remember him by Vinod. Vinod. Uncle Vinod has won Gyanpith Award for 2024. So next question. Chandrayaan 5 mission will be launched in collaboration with किसके साथ करेंगे ये? Answer will be Japan. Here I have also added map of Japan. So India's first PPP, public-private partnership center waste processing plant has been set up in which city? So this is also cleanest city of India. Yes, you can see in photo, that is Indore. Now, so defense exercise related question. Varuna 2025 is bilateral naval exercise with which country? So guess who is he? He is Emmanuel Macron, and he is from France. So we'll write F for hint. Okay, and this is naval exercise. And next question, which team won 2025 Kabaddi World Cup? So for men's, it is Team India, and for female, it is also Team India. And where match was held, that was in England, and both men and women team won. Okay, which country overtook UAE as India's largest source of remittance? Okay, this is flag of US. So answer is US. Next question. Who won the Stockholm Water Prize 2025? So his name is Gunter. Here it is written Gunter. Next question. Which country became newest member of New Development Bank? So okay, let's first discuss about New Development Bank. Points to remember. Its headquarters is in China, and you have to mention name of city. And it is set by BRICS countries in 2015. And what is the newest member which has become a member of New Development Bank? That is Indonesia. Okay, next question. Which state became first to establish Senior Citizen Commission? Okay, so which state is this? This is Kerala. Next question. Who has been awarded with the Abel Prize 2025, and in which field Abel Prize is given? It is given in mathematics. METH maths, and his name is Masaki Kashiwara, and basically he is from Japan. So we will like remember him like Kawasaki. It's not funny, but still it will strike an exam. So his name is Masaki Masaki Kashiwara. Okay, next question. Nobel Prize. And okay, when is tuberculosis day observed? So tuberculosis is related to lungs, is a disease. It affects our lung, and India has aimed to eliminate TB by 2000 2025. This year we will eliminate TB. And when this day is observed, it is observed on 24th of March. Here it is written 24th of March. Okay. Mark Carney became Prime Minister of which country? So this is Canada, and previous Prime Minister was Justin Trudeau. And now Mark Carney, he is from Liberal Party, and you have to tell what is capital of Canada, because in AFCAT exams, capital related country and their capital related questions appear. Okay, next question. Exercise Khanjar 2025 has been conducted between India and which country? So Khanjar, it is from Kyrgyzstan, with Kyrgyzstan. So small trick or memory based trick which will help you to remember this name. Khanjar, like Kyrgyzstan, it is Kyrgyzstan. We can say Kyrgyzstan, Girgit. And Khanjar, we will stab a Girgit with Khanjar. So India conduct exercise Khanjar with Girgit, that is Kyrgyzstan. And capital of Kyrgyzstan is Bishkek. So Kyrgyzstan spelling क्या होती है? KYRGYZSTAN, and capital is Bishkek. And now you have to tell currency of Kyrgyzstan. क्या currency यूज होती है इनकी? So moving on to next question. Who has just a second. Sea Dragon exercise 2025 has been conducted in which country? Sea Dragon. So let's discuss about Sea Dragon. It is a multilateral anti-submarine warfare exercise. Multilateral anti-submarine warfare exercise, and it is conducted by many countries, and basically it is conducted at Guam Islands, which is under control of US. So where it is conducted? Guam Islands, and this Guam Islands is in Pacific Ocean. And which countries participate? So basically in this exercise, Quad countries plus South Korea participate. Okay. Who has been appointed as the first woman law secretary of India? And her name is Anju Rati Rana. Her name is Anju. We to remember her, to memorize her, we will just write Anju Rati. You can remember her name by Dhruv Rati, but she is Anju Rati. Okay, next question. Where was the World Sustainable Development Summit was held? World Sustainable Summit was held in Delhi. Okay, next question. Which country has launched City Collaboration Circularity? This is also called C3 model or initiative, and it is also it is a multinational alliance of city to city collaboration, and its aim is to promote sustainable urban development and waste management, and it is announced by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, and it is India. Okay, next question. Who has unveiled the One Nation One Portal initiative? Basically, it's which ministry? It is Minister of Port, Shipping and Waterways. And this name is confusing. One nation, one portal. It sounds like something government or official documentation thing, and related to education department or election commission. But it is for Minister of Port and Shipping, Port, Shipping and Waterways. Aim is to modernize India's maritime infrastructure. So, just I will draw a boat. When is Shahid Divas observed every year in India? So it is 23rd March. 23rd March. And in Afghan once their name was also asked. So their name are Bhagat Singh, Shahid Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. Where has India's first peace center was inaugurated? You will be surprised to know the answer. It is Gurugram. It is Gurugram, and this is to to promote peace, non-violence, and global harmony. Okay, Kangar Valley National Park is located in which state? So don't go with this image. It is of Assam, but answer is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh. So why this is in news? Because recently 6 Indian sites added to a tentative list of UNESCO World Heritage Site, and this Kangar Valley National Park is also one of them. So in India, total tentative UNESCO World Heritage Site are 62, and total UNESCO World Heritage Site in India are 43. And latest was Charaidio Moidam, and that is the burial site of Ahom Kingdom, and that is in Assam. Ahom Kingdom was in Assam. Okay, which space agency launched SpaceX and Punch mission? So it is NASA, and what it is for? It is a near infrared space observatory, and the origin of to study the origin of universe, and it was launched from Falcon 9 Block 5. Falcon 9 Block 5. Okay, which team topped the medal tally in the Khelo India Winter Games? And it is overall, not state, overall who has topped. It is our beloved Indian Army. If we talk about state, in state, Haryana is at top, HR, and third is Ladakh. And where Winter Games 2025 were held, that were in Ladakh. Sorry, the first phase was in Ladakh, and second phase held at Gulmarg. Okay, next question. Which film won Best Film Award at 2025 IFA Award? So IFA Award. So from poster, if you can guess, it is very good movie. It is Lapata Ladies. And talking about other IFA award winners, best director is Kiran Rao, same for the Lapata Ladies, and actor is Kartik Aryan for Bhool Bhulaiya 3, and best actress is Nitisha Goyal for Lapata Ladies. 10th edition of Raisina Dialogue 2025 held in which city? So it was in India, and it was in New Delhi because diplomats and other people arrive and they exchange dialogue. So that was in. Okay. Which team won title of 2025 Women's Premier League? So IPL women के IPL में कौन सी टीम जीती है? It is Mumbai Indians. Next question. What is India's rank in 2025 free speech index out of 33 countries? So from the world's perspective, what is rank of India out of 33 countries? It is 24th. भाई 24th कैसे है? अभी देखा जो हमारी इंडियन मीडिया तो कितनी फ्रीडम है, बोलते बोलते कराची लाहौर सब कब्जा कर लिया। एक न्यूज़ पे मैं सुन रहा था, उसमें बता रहे थे कि इंडियन नेवी लाहौर तक पहुंच गई है। सो कितनी अच्छी बात है, आजकल हमारे नेवल शिप पानी छोड़ के ज़मीन पे भी चलते हैं। सो कोई बात, आगे बढ़ते हैं। व्हाट इज़ द प्राइमरी मटेरियल यूज टू क्रिएट द वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट सुपर सॉलिड फ्रॉम लाइट? सो दिस इज़ न्यू discovery or new invention, and it is first of all let's discuss. It is this incredible thing is done by Italian researcher, Italian researchers, and elements. Talking about elements, it is gallium and arsenide. And to memorize this, we can call it gas, GAAS, GA for gallium and AS for arsenide. And where this breakthrough will be applied, or its application will be in quantum computing, optical technologies, and material science. Okay, blank. Which traditional Indian silk recently earned the prestigious oikotique? It is Erie silk. So an interesting fact about Erie silk, it is vegan silk. So why it is vegan? Because moth, that is insect inside cocoon. Silk is basically formed from cocoon, and there is an insect called moth. In other silk, moth is died while making silk, but in Erie silk, that moth transform into butterfly and leave the cocoon behind, and from that silk is formed. And it is also given GI tag, and for which state? Assam. World's largest iceberg, A23A, is located in which ocean? It is in Southern Ocean. It is for no use. It is Southern Ocean. Okay. Which Indian space mission recently captured first solar flare? Karnal. So India has sent a satellite into space to observe sun's corona. So this solar flare is also related with sun's outer surface, or activities happening on sun's surface. So in that mission, this satellite was sent, and its name is Aditya L1. Which space agency launched the IM-2 mission? So it is, you guessed it right, it is NASA. ऐसे काम NASA ही करता है. Oh sorry, NASA. And what this mission is for? It is lunar South Pole, to explore water, ice and rare minerals on lunar South. And name of spacecraft will be Athena. What that name will be? Let me know. ATHENA, Athena. So now let's see days, because in our exam days related question is also asked, and it is often related to these environment or wildlife related or women centric questions. Okay, so when is the World Wildlife Day celebrated? Wildlife Day is celebrated on 3rd of March. And what is the when is the World Meteorological Day celebrated? World Meteorological Day, it is World Meteorological Day 23rd of March. And you have to tell 23rd of March को और क्या होता है, जो हमने इसमें वीडियो में पहले ही देखा है. Okay, when is World Water Day celebrated every year? It is 22 March. When is International Women's Day celebrated every year? It is 8th March. So let's also see their theme, because themes are also asked in exam. So for Wildlife Day, it is wildlife conservation, finance, investing in people and planet. I'm repeating once again. theme for World Wildlife Day is wildlife conservation, finance, investing in people and planet. And for World Meteorological Day, it is closing the early warning gap together, because our environment is changing due to global warming and various other activities done by human on Earth, which is deteriorating the environment. So this theme is for closing the early warning and the signs we are receiving from meteorological studies. So this is related to World Meteorological Day, closing the early warning gap together. And for Water Day, we know source of fresh water are glaciers. So, and glaciers are also vanishing rapidly, because recently Venezuela became the country which lost its all glaciers. So theme for this World Water Day will be glacier preservation. And for women, every year, in every century, we talk about let's give women the priority or freedom they need, because they are not a mere object. They are also living being. So we only talk a lot but do very less. So this year theme will be accelerate action. It is not time to talk. Just show your efforts in action. So accelerate action. Okay. India launched Operation ब्रह्मा फॉर विच कंट्री? ये कंट्री है म्यांमार. यहाँ पे हमने ह्यूमैनिटेरियन एड वगैरह प्रोवाइड किया था, बिकॉज यहाँ पे रिलीफ हमने इमरजेंसी रिलीफ मिशन कंडक्ट किया था. यहाँ पे साइक्लोन आया था. देन दीपक पूनिया वॉन विच मेडल एट एशियन रेसलिंग चैम्पियनशिप 2025? सो दिस इज सिल्वर मेडल. SIL सिल्वर. दिस इज सिल्वर मेडल. एंड दिस एशियन रेसलिंग चैम्पियनशिप वॉज हेल्ड वेयर? इट वॉज हेल्ड एट अमान, जॉर्डन. Amman, Jordan. Okay. Which state topped the medal tally in Khelo India Para Games? This is Para Games 2025. कौन से स्टेट ने टॉप किया है? Let's guess. This is Haryana. HR Haryana. Then at second place it is Tamil Nadu, and at third place Uttar Pradesh. And Haryana got 34 gold medals and in total 104 medals. वैसे ये पूछता नहीं है कभी मेडल्स, लेकिन बट स्टिल. विच कंट्री हैज़ बिकेम द वर्ल्ड टॉप मिल्क प्रोड्यूसर? भाई अमूल दूध पीता है इंडिया. ये अमूल की गाय है, ठीक है, चल गाय अमूल बोले, अमूल, ठीक है. तो इंडिया है इसका आंसर. नेक्स्ट, हु हैज़ इलेक्टेड एज द फर्स्ट फीमेल एंड अफ्रीकन प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी? IOC. कौन बना है इसका ये फर्स्ट फीमेल बनी है. कौन है ये है क्रिस्टी कोवेंट्री. हम इनको क्रिस्टी के नाम से ही याद करेंगे. क्रिस्टी दीदी बनी है, क्रिस्टी मैम बनी है. KISTY, क्रिस्टी. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट IOC, इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी. एंड लेट मी टेल यू interesting fact. She is a swimmer. She is a swimmer and she is from Zimbabwe. So now you have to tell me, where is the headquarter of International Olympic Committee? Hint, it starts from L and it's in Switzerland. Okay, next question. Which high-speed microprocessor have been developed by ISRO? It is fully indigenous and advanced 32-bit microprocessor, and it is designed by Space Mission, and it is developed by ISRO and Semiconductor Laboratory, and its application will be in space missions to enhance our capabilities. So they are Vikram, VIKRAM. Because it is related to space, we can easily guess its name will be Vikram and Kalpana. And number is 3201 for both. Okay. Which aircraft was used to bring back NASA astronaut Sunita Williams and Wilmore to Earth? कौन से स्पेस क्राफ्ट से लाए थे? ये फंस गए थे ना वो अपना स्पेस स्टेशन में, इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन में. सो इनको लाने के लिए हमने यूज़ किया था SpaceX ड्रैगन. ड्रैगन. और ये क्रैश मतलब इनको हम लेके आए थे, ये आए थे हमारे गल्फ ऑफ मैक्सिको, जो कि अमेरिका बन चुका है, गल्फ ऑफ अमेरिका। और ये इतना बड़ा चमत्कार किया है ट्रम्प भाई ने अपने। तो उसके बाद फिर है विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ लॉन्च द राजीव युवा विक्रम विकासम विकासम स्कीम। तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछता नहीं है वैसे, लेकिन बट स्टिल इट इज़ तेलंगाना। विकासम हो गया भाई, तेलंगाना, TELANGA, तेलंगाना, कोई बात नहीं। अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। फर्स्ट एवर टेम्पल डेडिकेटेड टू छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, कौन सा है ये टेम्पल, कहाँ पे हुआ है इनॉग्रेट? ये हुआ है हमारे भिवंडी में, भिवंडी, BHIWANDI, भिवंडी में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन विच IIT हैज़ द थर्मल रिसर्च सेंटर बीन लॉन्च्ड बाय इसरो चेयरमैन V नारायणन? इट इज़ इन IIT बॉम्बे। ऐसे याद कर लो, थर्मल रिसर्च हो रही है ना, तो थर्मल मतलब बहुत ही ऐसे गर्म सा है ना, थर्मल तो बॉम्ब मतलब फटेगा तो गर्म तो हो गई, जैसा अभी पाकिस्तान में फटा है। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। बायलेटरल एक्सरसाइज बोंगो सागर, ये बोंगो ही है हमारे, जिनके साथ हम करते हैं, कभी कुछ बोलते हैं कभी कुछ बोलते हैं। तो ये है बांग्लादेश, अपने मोहम्मद यूनिस की गवर्नमेंट जहाँ पे है, बांग्लादेश, और ये नेवीज़ के बीच में होती है। उसके बाद फिर है व्हाट इज़ द मैक्सिमम इम्प्रेसमेंट अंडर द इमिग्रेशन, ये ओके, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा। थोड़े से क्वेश्चन और देखते हैं। मैरीटाइम बायलेटरल एक्सरसाइज इंदिरा, भाई इंदिरा किसके साथ करते हैं हम? ये नेवीज़ की होती है, ये इंडिया करती है, इंडिया और रशिया। अभी तो हमने देखा S-400 रशिया से हमने परचेज़ किए थे, और उनको हमने पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट, एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम है ये, पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट यूज़ किया। यू हैव टू टेल मी देयर नेम, जो कि इंडिया ने उनको दिया है। और ये एक्सरसाइज हुई कहाँ पे थी? ये चेन्नई एंड बे ऑफ बंगाल में हुई थी, यहाँ पे चेन्नई एंड बे ऑफ बंगाल में। ठीक है, ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है इस सीरीज़ का। प्रचंड प्रहार, ये भी एक एक्सरसाइज है, प्रचंड प्रहार, अ ट्राइलेटरल वॉरफेयर एक्सरसाइज कंडक्टेड इन विच स्टेट? ये इंडिया की ही इंडियन आर्मी ही करती है, ट्राई सर्विसेज करती है, और इस बार इंडियन आर्मी ने इसको कंडक्ट करवाया था। और ये कौन से स्टेट में हुई थी? ये हुई थी हमारी राजस्थान में। कहाँ पे प्रचंड प्रहार हुई थी? राजस्थान में। सो दीज वर सम क्वेश्चंस, और थोड़ा सा मैंने कम हंसी मजाक करने की कोशिश किया, सो दैट यू गेट ये जल्दी क्वेश्चंस हो जाएँ। एंड इफ़ यू हैव टू रिवाइज, यू कैन ईजिली रिवाइज विदाउट एनी रिलेटिंग टू सम अदर टॉपिक, एंड रिपीटेडली ये क्वेश्चंस सुनने पे याद हो जाएंगे। एंड यही क्वेश्चंस आते हैं एग्जाम में। मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज हो गई, कुछ मिनिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड, कुछ जो डेवलपमेंट हुई है साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी से। सो यू हैव टू स्ट्रेटेजिकली प्लान फॉर करंट अफेयर। हमें PhD नहीं करनी है करंट अफेयर में, वी हैव टू ओनली स्टडी स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चंस। एंड अगर 12 क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं, यू डोंट हैव टू स्टडी 40-50 पेजेस PDF एट द लास्ट मोमेंट एंड वीडियोज़ ऑफ 2-3 hours, बिकॉज अगर हम 12 क्वेश्चन में से 10 क्वेश्चन भी कर पाते हैं, दैट इज़ मोर देन इनफ। सो स्ट्रेटेजिकली प्लान योर रिसोर्सेज एंड इन योर टाइम, because time and effort when are in right direction, then result will be evident and you will feel confident. So these were some questions. If you like these questions, do let me know, and I will keep this series and bring more question which you will definitely see in your exam. So signing off, Vajra Shot this side, and stay tuned.